Welcome to Tella and today we're at We're at a garden, and we're looking for the little forest playground. But it's like really nice. Come on, join me as I walk around the garden.
No, we're not going that way, but that's
We're gonna end up where we started. What do you think? This is the first one. Before that Oh, and there, I think you use yourself as a chess pieces. Aha! Got the bean. Wait, where did it go? Should I
there's like a net.
It's super fun. Tella's playing with her friends. We're at the playground now, and we have like something like a trampoline, and we have a wood obstacle course. And let's see what we have. There's a little club space, I think. And then there's another row, and a super duper fun.